All right, so Carla wants to buy a bike. Okay, Carla wants to buy a brand new bike for summer, and summer starts in the week. She saves $1 on the first day, then $2 on the second day, $4 on the third day, $8 on the fourth day, and this pattern continues for the rest of the week. If the bike costs $150, Carla will. All right, so what we're going to have to do is figure out some things. Well, let's first of all figure out how much money Carla has, okay? So I'm going to make a little table here where it's the day and the money she saves. So on day 1, she saves $1. On day 2, she saves $2. On day 3, she saves $4. On day 4, she saves $8. So what's going on here, this is a geometric sequence where if you take this number and multiply it by 2, you get the next number. If you take this number, multiply it by 2, you get the next number, and so forth. So our common ratio is 2. And because we have a common ratio, then we know that this is a geometric. I mean, we should have known it was a geometric sequence because this section is the geometric series. But I still like to step through the process. So she does this for a whole week. So there's the 5th day, the 6th day, and then the 7th day. So this becomes 16. This is 32. And this is 64. Now, at first, I thought there's no way she's going to have $150, but I don't know. We gotta. So to find out her total amount, her total is going to have to be 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64. So let's go ahead and pull that up on our calculator. And let's see what we get. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see me add it all up. So I'm going to say 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64. Let's add all that up. So she has a total of $127. So she will not have enough money to buy the bike before the start of summer. And then it says she will have, it looks like she needs another $23 more to save. So after one more day, in other words, if she can come up with $23 on that 8th day, then she'll have enough money to buy the bike. Now, a lot of very wealthy entrepreneurs are familiar with this concept of doubling their money. So there are a lot of millionaires that will take a small investment and find an opportunity to double that money. And a very famous math problem is if I give you $1 and you double it every day for the next 30 days, or I'll give you another option. I'll just give you $10,000. Which one will you take? And so most people will say $10,000, but really if you take $1 and double it every day for 30 years, or not 30 years, 30 days, in other words, you just double it 30 times, it's well over $1 million. It's amazing how much it's worth. But anyways, we're just doing geometric